Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Ming Liao Liao or Queen Flam Yao Liao, chapter 105. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Song. She said to herself that it's finally done. After a long day, she can take a rest for a while. She was sitting on the couch and waiting for Feiyu. Feiyu was moving closer to her. Changing people docking, the efficiency is more than a little bit more efficient. Song said to her, but right now, looking at Feiyu, she is still calm today. Also, she was wiping her hair. After you're done, let's go to the hot spring, alright? Well, Peiyu is suggesting her, but looking at Song, it seems that she was really enjoying Peiyu's wiping her hair. She was acting like a baby, and Peiyu said after doing such a big project, we have treated ourselves to golden signboard well. Song said to her, then, I am grateful to you. Oh, what a sweet girl she is. I kind of wanted to wake up my sister together, but I was afraid that she wouldn't be even more unhappy to see us in fears. Did she really pertaining about Rensing? Ew. Flowers went abroad last week. Although Rensing didn't seem to have anything to do, he was too calm. Yes, so finally Wafang. So it turns out she really lived Rensing. So forget it. Let's talk about it when I wake up in better mood. At that time, I will ask a few more friends to find a place where I can sit, ski and soak in the hot spring, Song said to her. But Peiyu, okay, you have the final say, Peiyu said to Song. Well, it turns out they're really good friends. Until now, they're really worried about Rensing, especially Wafang was not here. But Peiyu suddenly moved closer to her. Since the hot springs plan doesn't work, you have to let me do something, right? Oh, what is she thinking right now? Peiyu, she become like this? Well, she's good at coaxing people now. Well, it turns out she really want to have a massage also. That's it, Peiyu said to her. Song, she's wiping her hair. Well, Peiyu said to her. Massage oil I bought a few days ago said it helped to relieve the fatigue and sleep. Do you want to try it? Peiyu is offering the massage oil to her. Well, probably, of course. Song, Shuwon rejected her. So what a coincidence. Looking at Song, she looks really mischievous. Well, also, she was plotting against her. Now, she really understood what Song said. Well, Peiyu suddenly stood up. How can be a transparent? In front of you, you can see everything. In fact, it was ready in the morning. Just wait for you today. So, Peiyu, she was really tricky girl. Also, right now, Song said to her, then you can perform well later. If you are not satisfied, you will not give a five-star phrase. Yes, my only one customer is an adult. Peiyu said to her, well, so she lay down on the bed, and right now Feiyu is massaging her, putting essence oil on her back and massaging it. Of course, it was really good feeling. Well, Feiyu still stood up. She dropped the oil on her hands. She really want to pour a lot so Song can relax and help to relieve the fatigue. This girl, she really knows how to act baby, especially right now to Feiyu. Peiyu, she was really happy, taking good care of her. Swiping her hands on the back of Song. Song, she seems to be enjoying it. As of now, she seems to be happy. Also, she looks serious. She said to herself that it was really comfortable. Peiyu's hands is really good. That's why Song, she was really praising her so much. She's really good at massaging people. Song, just press the shoulders again. Oh, this girl. It seems that she has experienced a lot of pain. Right now, she's asking Peiyu about pressing her shoulders again. Peiyu was looking at her and said to her, "Now, you don't make a sound." Oh, this girl. Is she really expecting something from her? Well, definitely she know how to coax people right now. But Song suddenly said, "I really want to relax with you." Peiyu said to Song, but Song right now said to her, "Really?" Well, of course, she really want to take a vacation with her. But I do not believe, Song said to her. "There will be no reward for wrong answer," Song said to Peiyu. Well, Peiyu, it seems that she feeling something again. But right now, since she wanted this song, she moved closer to her and acting she's going to kiss her. Well, looking at Song, it seems that she really falls on her trap. Always soaks in essential oil. It's so fragrant. Can you smell it? Oh, Song. Right now, she's trying to coax Peiyu. Well, Peiyu, she almost fall out. Peiyu said to her, "Don't tease me anymore." Looking at Song, she looks like she's really enjoying it. Teasing Peiyu as this much. Well, definitely, they're really good couple. Song said to her, "Why are you still teasing me? I'm the customer. I will write a bad review." Oh, this girl. She was really good at it, especially tricking Peiyu in front of everyone. The serious fatigue reliefs is over and the next is to sleep and function. How to help you sleep? It's like aromatic therapy. Well, Song, she was really thinking about it. But suddenly Peiyu kissed her gently. Peiyu said to her, "It's easy to sleep when you're tired." Oh, does it mean that you really want to do something else? Well, Peiyu, she become vocal right now. "Wow, you changed the concept," Song said to her. Now, the two of them are really laughing. Of course, they're really being cute to each other. Especially Song. She really understands Peiyu. And Peiyu, just to take revenge on her, she fooled her down. Poor Song, what she can do right now? Peiyu is pressing her so much. Well, let's see what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!